So, hi guys! Ayun, andito tayo ngayon. Nagagawa po ako ng video invitation for my baby's first birthday and binyag. So, ayan, magawa lang po ako, nag-generate ako. Siyempre, I want to be creative. Of course, para to sa first birthday ni baby. So, ayan, sana ma-achieve ang mga plano so far. Natutuwa ako. Kasi, basta, parang ano siya, Gen Z. Gen Z na ako ang aking style of invitation. Hope they will like it and I hope they will reply naman na kung okay sa kanila. So, I'm doing some video asking my close friends to be my baby's godparent. So, So, looking forward po ako sa mga reply nila. And then, saka ako natatapusin yung video naman ng invitation. So, I want everything to be in video type. So, hindi pa kami actually nakapag-book din ng... Nag-inquire na kami, pero hindi pa kami nakapag-book for the birthday celebration at the same time yung party ng... christening ni baby and then the party. So, nag-i-inquire pa lang kami. So far, wala pang... Sorry, kasi hindi pa kami nakapag-seminar. So, mag-i-invite muna ako for ninong and ninang and then kung final na kung sino yung mag-go. So, ayun. Saka kami magpa-finalize dun sa may simbahan kasi pinipilapan pala yung kung sino-sino yung mag-godparents. So before, kailangan i-confirm namin. Though okay naman sa kanila yung iba I want confirmation, 'di ba? So it's up to them. No naman, we just want them to be yung kumbaga, it's not about the gift or whatsoever, it's about the guidance that they will give, also the wisdom that they will give to our kids, diba? So it's not about the because we are the parents and we need to be the provider, not the asa-asa. So ayaw namin ng ganun. Yun lang, gusto lang namin yung presensya ng mga godparents at the same time yung guidance nila during sa paglaki ni baby.